No, why the fuck would you lunge? You did that on purpose. You did
He's a
that
good
on
one.
fucking purpose.
Is that a frog?
No.
The same fucking lure as the last one.
Yeah.
Ain't it?
Here you come.
Not a muskie, it's a northern.
No, it's a muskie. Just when I think you can't catch any smaller of a muskie. Keep going, totally redeem yourself. This one's even littler than the last one.
It's still
No, he ain't.
It's a muskie.
He's nice. Thatchy. That's a nice one.
It's another muskie. Here, worry about that later. Let's go.